welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be taking a look at this Afterglow controller from Pdp. It's for the Nintendo Switch. We're going to be unboxing the controller here, and we're going to be taking a look at all the different features it provides and what you should expect when purchasing it yourself. Before we get started, just make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, turn post notifications on. That way you guys don't miss any content from this channel. I'll be posting 2 to 3 times every single week here on the channel. Some things you should expect with that is anything from like tech videos to gaming equipment, anything gaming in general, and then of course a little bit of a kind of a dive into my life, anything from like blogs to like personal videos. That's what you guys should expect here in the channel. And if you guys have any questions in regards to the controller, just feel free to put those down in the comment box below. I always take my time and answer every single question or comment you guys may have. All right, enough rambling. With that being said, let's go ahead and hop right into the video here. All right, nerds. So here we have the Afterglow controller. This is for the Nintendo Switch, and this is from Pdp. They did send this out to me just kind of like to test out and review and whatnot. But this is the prismatic edition, so you can kind of like change the colors and stuff of it. But yeah, let's get right into it. This is what the box looks like. Pretty simple, pretty standard. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. So you're not gonna get much out of the box. You're gonna get, of course, a controller. You're gonna get a charging cable and then a little manual. So this is what it's gonna look like when you open it yourself. There's the controller. Then you have the charger in here. You got the little manual over here that pretty much tells you how to set up your controller. And then let's take this right out. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. As you can see, it kind of lit up a little bit just because it's trying to connect. Looks pretty clean, looks pretty good. Awesome. Let's check out the back real quick. Let's cue in some close-up shots right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just point out a little bit, I guess the key features that this controller's selling point has. So this is a wireless controller. You do not need a battery, but you do need the battery charger cable to charge your controller, and then after that you don't have to use it. You don't need to put extra batteries in there. It comes as it is, and I think that's a great selling point right there. This also has customizable RGB lights, which of course I'll show you guys in a little bit. You can go and customize it just the way you want it, whichever color preference you choose. This has also buttons on the back you can program. So it has this one and this one right over here. And something that I really like from this controller is it has motion controls. So you know how like in certain games, if you move around, the player will, like in Breath of the Wild, if you move your controller up and down, the arrows will move along with it. So I think that's pretty cool. This has it as well. So considering this is an RGB controller, I kind of want to go into the features of the RGB first. Let me go ahead and turn down these lights a little bit so you guys can take a better look. All right, so the first thing I want to mention is just the different modes the RGB controller has. So the way you change them is with this button right here. You hold that down, and then with the bumpers, you cycle between the 4 different settings. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. So with this first one, it reacts to your movement. So basically, if you move the stick right over here, it changes colors, which I think is pretty cool. And then with this stick over here, it'll change the brightness of the color. So the next setting is just kind of a static color. The way to change that, you're gonna hold this one down, and then you're gonna go either left or right. And then you hold down on it to change the colors. It's pretty cool. And then you go the other way, and that's how you change the static color on this controller. And then we have the next setting, which of course you will change by holding this and then the bumper. This one just kind of breathes in and out, and then you can change that color as well. All you have to do is hold that button and then change the sides right over here. For the last setting here, it just cycles between all the colors. It'll breathe in and out. For me personally, I always enjoy just the regular static color, so that's what I'm gonna personally leave it at. So that's pretty much it for the RGB functionalities. I think they're pretty cool, pretty clean, and it looks good with a translucent controller. Another feature of the controller, of course, you have the little paddles on the back. I'll just quickly go over how you can program that. You're gonna hold this down, you're gonna press which paddle you wanna program, and then after you press that, you're gonna press either one of these, and that's gonna pretty much make it so you'll be using that for whichever button you chose. So I'm gonna pretty much go over how you program the button. It's super easy. You're gonna hold down this button, you're gonna press the paddle in the back, I'll press the left one, and it's gonna flash. Boom. So once it's flashing, you pick which button you want it to be in the back. So let's say I wanted to jump, press A, and then it flashes again, and that's it. You've programmed the button on the back and you're ready to go. Pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna show you guys how to pair your new wireless controller with your Switch. You're gonna press down this little button up here, basically turns it on. Boom, there you go. All right, you're gonna connect it to your dock, and it should go red. There we go. And then with your Joy-Con, you're gonna go to controllers. You're gonna go to change grip order, and it's gonna be flashing because you pressed that first button down. So that's pretty much trying to like sync up, right? Boom, there it popped up. Just, you gotta press these on top, the bumpers, and just press A when ready. And that's pretty much it. You've already connected your controller. Super simple, super easy. There it is, moving it around. You can plug it in now unless you need charge. But once you unplug it, it goes right to the color. So you're pretty much ready. You're ready to go to play some games. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the video here today. If you guys did enjoy the video, found it informative and a choice for which controller you might want to buy, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and then turn on the post notifications just to stay updated with any uploads I may have. If you guys want to check out my Instagram, I post there every single day, as well as I'm a little bit more interactive on Instagram with my audience. I feel like it's kind of like more one-on-one compared to YouTube. But yeah, follow me there if you guys want to. But I'm gonna let you guys go. Have a great day, have a great night wherever you may be, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.